Yeah, I like to learn more running dozers like the other operators do. I get my time, you know, but I have to start from the bottom and work my way out. Like I get my opportunities like we're at a different job, you know, when the guys are doing something, they'll let me jump on a piece of equipment and go on from there. Yeah, they let me try everything out, you know. They don't get mad, you know, just doing a good job, keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.